Hello everyone, I am Shashank and you guys are watching Aisharki. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss a topic from Indian Penal Code, which is Culpable Homicide Section 299. So let's get started. So first of all, let's see what is homicide. Homicide means killing of a man, and the word homicide is derived from the Latin term which says as homo plus cadere, which means killing of human being or killing of a man. And also we can divide the homicide in two groups. First one is lawful homicide and second one is unlawful homicide. The lawful homicide falls under the general exceptions, chapter 4 of the IPC, and the unlawful homicide are the culpable homicide, murder, rash and negligent act and suicide. Lawful homicide means all those homicides which are justified by law. All the general exceptions of the IPC are covered under this, that is from section 76 to section 106, which are given in chapter 4 of IPC. For example, if a police officer in performance of his legal duty commits an act which causes death of some person, then that would not be called as murder, as it will fall under the general exceptions. Second category under homicide is unlawful homicide. Unlawful homicide means all those homicides which are not justified by law. It has four parts, as I told you earlier. If I have to divide those culpable homicide even further, then I can divide it in two parts. First, culpable homicide amounting to murder. Second, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Now let's see. Culpable homicide is defined in section 299 and murder in section 300. If we carefully look at the definition of both, there are a lot of similarities in it. Still, they are different from each other. So, if I have to share example with you, like A, a person who attacked B with a blunt knife. On the other hand, C, another person who attacked D with a sharp knife. Now A has attacked B with a blunt knife, so here chances of causing death are quite low, because C on other hand, he has attacked with a sharp knife, so here there are more chances of causing death. Now we are comparing two scenarios here, one where A attacked B with a blunt knife, second where C attacked D with a sharp knife. So, in both these examples, which one is culpable homicide or which one is murder? To understand culpable homicide better, I will break its definition in its main ingredients. So I have divided its definition into its four main ingredients, of which the first ingredient is causing death of human being, because the culpable homicide is a part of homicide. So here it's very important to cause a death of a human being. Then second is intention of causing death. Because culpable homicide is an offense, it's obvious there will be mens rea in it. That's why it's very important that there should be intention on the offender's side. Then only he is causing death of the person. The third ingredient, intention of causing bodily injury. Now, to inflict a bodily injury to a person with which there are chances of causing death of that person, so in that condition it will be called as culpable homicide. Why? Because here word likely is used, means that here the probability of causing death due to that bodily injury is quite low, or I can say is very low as compared to murder. And the last ingredient is knowledge of act likely to cause death. Here also the word likely is used. This means here the offender has knowledge that his act can cause death, but again the probability of causing that will also be very low here. So in culpable homicide, degree of intention is low and degree of probability of death is also low as compared to murder. So that example that I have told you, A who attacked B with a blunt knife, now their degree of probability of causing death is quite low as compared to C's case where he attacked with a sharp knife. That's why the case of A will fall under the culpable homicide and case of C will fall under murder. In culpable homicide and murder, the intention and degree of causing death is different. In culpable homicide and murder, the intention and degree of probability of causing death is different. So here the section 299 culpable homicide is complete. And I hope the section 299 the culpable homicide is clear to you. And in the upcoming video, I will break down the section 300, which is murder. And I will try to compare this both sections simultaneously so we can get a clear picture of what is these both sections are about. So till then, be happy, be focused. Thanks for watching.